How to upload music on SoundCloud. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can upload music on SoundCloud, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now uploading music on SoundCloud is actually very simple. All you have to do is open up the SoundCloud application and just make sure that you are logged into your account. Now once you're logged into your account, you're gonna see this type of interface where what you need to do is, if you look at the very top, you'll find a little plus or the arrow icon there. So make sure to tap the upper arrow button there, and once you have done that, just select the music that you would like to upload. And after you do that, here you can see the title option. Just make sure to enter the title. Then you can pick a genre about what your song is all about. Then you can describe your track about everything that includes about your song. Then you can choose to add a caption, and then you can choose to make this track public or private depending upon what is it. Then tap the save option to go ahead and then public that song. This way you can upload music on SoundCloud. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next videos.